Alright, this is a quick video about the important parts of a quadratic graph. So when you're graphing a quadratic, you want to find the lowest or highest point, depending on whether it's facing upward or downward. And the lowest point in this graph is called the vertex, or highest point. So it's called the vertex. So in this case, the vertex is 1, -6. That is the lowest point on this graph. It is called the vertex. The next thing that's important to find is the y-intercept. That's where we cross the y-axis, and that's a value of 0 for x. We're not right or left of 0, we're on 0 for x when we hit the y-intercept. So in this case, the y-intercept is 0, -4. So your y-intercept will always be 0, something. 0, something. The other thing that you might want to note is that your y-intercept is always only one point. There's not more than one point. No matter where the graph could live, it will only ever cross the y-axis once, because it is a function. If you cross the y-axis more than once, you fail the vertical line test, and you would not be a function. The last bit is what we call the solutions to a quadratic. Those are also called the x-intercepts. The x-intercepts are always when y equals 0. So in this case, we have -1, 0 and 3, 0. Remember that you can have two solutions, one solution, or no solutions. In this graph, we have two solutions. And these are the important pieces of a graph that you would want to find. So generally speaking, you always want to find the vertex if you can, the y-intercept if you can, and then the x-intercepts if possible.